Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to Drawing course. In this lecture, we're gonna show how to create custom type views. So here we have some standard views. We have a front view, top view, and isometric view. But sometimes we have to create some other view. It is not here, but in the view palette. And now we're gonna show how to do this. So let's click on this part here, and let's go open part. And now here we have to define which view we want to create. For example, we want to create this view, like this. So we can go here to view orientation. And here we have an icon, new view. So let's add a new view and let's put a name here, A. Let's click OK. So this is now view A. Let's rotate this like this, and this is gonna be a view B. So let's go to view orientation. Let's create a new view. Let's go with the view B and OK. And now we can go back to our sheet. And now if we go to view palette, we have to go here and we have to refresh this. And now we can see that here we have a view A and view B. So we have some standard views, top, front, right, bottom, a view A and view B. So we can drag here a view A, and here we can drag view B. Let's click OK. So this is how we can create some arbitrary views and how we can put them on the sheet. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.